Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to delete a Google review permanently. Firstly, open the Google Maps app on your mobile device or visit it on your computer. Check that you're logged into the correct Google account, and you can see your account icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now click the menu icon in the top left corner of Google Maps, then this will open a panel where you can access your activity and contributions. From the menu, tap or click your contributions. This is where Google keeps all your added content, including reviews, photos, and edits. Next, select Reviews tab and you'll see a full list of reviews you've written across Google Maps. Scroll through your list and find the review you want to remove. Just click the three vertical dots next to the review that choose Delete Review to permanently remove it. Alternatively, select Edit Review if you'd rather update your comment instead. Once deleted, the review is no longer visible to you, the business, or other users. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.